Hello guys, today we will discuss question 139. The question is the geometry and magnetic behavior of the complex NiCO4 are number 1 tetrahedral and geometry and paramagnetic, square planar geometry and paramagnetic, third tetrahedral geometric and diamagnetic, fourth square planar geometric and diamagnetic. So the correct answer is third, because if we take Ni from the, as we know from this equation, there is NiCO4 that is given complex. So for Ni its configuration is 3D8 and 4s2. So here if we make the electron pairs, it's D has 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So and there is S2 has only one, so it is filled. For D it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are two. Now similarly for CO is SFL. So unpaired electron will get paired. So in this case, if it, yeah, like this, if we take this, so from here it goes, the value will go here and it will make its first make 2, 3, 4, 5 and it will be full because of the CO present, and this and these three output. P, it's D, it's S, it's P orbital. So it would be captured by CO. Similarly here, here and here. These all are CO and CO. So it's sp3 hybridization. And it's tetrahedral and diamagnetic. Hence the correct option is third. Thank you. Hope you understand.